Today we're going to talk about the straight arm cable pullover, which is one of the best isolation exercises for the lats. Most people agree on the need for isolation exercises, but not many people isolate or even know how to isolate their lat muscles. So in this video, we're going to talk about the anatomy of the exercise, how to set up for and perform the exercise. Spoiler alert, most people do this exercise incorrectly. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I've actually come up with a variation of the straight arm pullover that targets the lats even more effectively. And I'll also be announcing the winner of the Ronin Wraps giveaway at the end as well. But first, hi, my name is Ryan Treadaway, founder of TreadawayTraining.com, where we help busy professionals get more results in less time through online training. If you want more information on body transforming training and nutrition topics every Saturday, consider subscribing. First, let's talk anatomy. With the standard variation of the straight arm pullover, we're going to be targeting one of the functions of the lats, shoulder extension, meaning we're going to be extending the arms straight back. This exercise is similar to the lat prayer, which I've already covered. And the lat prayer actually has the largest range of motion of any back exercise. You can find that video in the card up here or in the description down there. While the lat prayer does offer a slightly greater range of motion, some people may find the lat prayer exercise to be a little bit awkward to perform. The straight arm cable pullover, or at least the way we're going to be performing the straight arm cable pullover, is a great alternative. So let's talk about how to set up for and perform the exercise. On a cable machine, attach a rope handle and set the pulley at the highest setting. The neutral grip of the rope attachment allows for a slightly stronger contraction at the bottom of the rep, and the split nature of the handle allows for a slightly extended range of motion at the bottom of the rep. Grab the handle and back up a couple of steps. This is where most people do the exercise incorrectly. Most people will keep their chest high, which severely limits the range of motion of the exercise. Getting a full range of motion is important for effectively training all the fibers of a muscle. In fact, most studies, including this 2012 study, show greater increases in both strength and muscle mass when using a full range of motion. In order to ensure you get a full range of motion, bend forward, keeping your knees slightly bent for balance. This is where you will start the movement. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows, pull your arms straight down and back. Be sure to pull with your lats, not your arms. Once the rope is in contact with the sides of your legs, squeeze your lats for a second and allow the rope to slowly return to the starting position. If your cable machine is too short to allow for a full range of motion, you can perform the straight arm cable pullover while kneeling. Now, I've actually come up with a variation on this exercise that I've never seen anyone else do before. This variation not only targets your lats through shoulder extension, but also through shoulder adduction. Adjust both sides of a cable crossover machine to the top settings and attach a single rope handle to both pulleys. If you don't have access to single rope handles, you can use standard single handles by sliding the grip around to make a neutral grip. Grab the two handles and walk backward 3 to 4 steps so that your arms are outstretched at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Bend forward with your knees slightly bent like before, but instead of pulling down and back, you'll be pulling down and in and back. This will provide a much stronger contraction than with the standard variation, particularly in the lower fibers of the lats. If you've already tried this variation, let me know down in the comments and you can brag about being smarter than the average bear. Now it's time to announce the winner for the Ronin Wraps and the Treadaway Training t-shirt. My brother actually decided to be funny and enter, and he actually won, but I told him he wasn't allowed to be the official winner, so I redrew, and Eric Everett is the official winner. I've actually already reached out to him and he has claimed his prize, so congrats Eric, and thanks to Ronin Wraps for providing me this free pair to give away to one of my subscribers. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. If you want more content just like this, consider subscribing, or you can check out one of the videos that will be up on the screen. You can also check us out on the Treadaway Training Blogcast. We're there every Sunday at 3 p.m. That's treadawaytraining.com/blog. As always, God bless you and your family, and we'll see you tomorrow.